Welcome to Relevic. In this video, we'll show you how to use the geolocation filter. As you can see, we're inside the campaign canvas, where a campaign has already been created. If you're new and want to learn how to create a campaign from scratch, feel free to check out our detail video in our Get Started playlist. Now let's add a geolocation filter. On the left panel, under Audience Filters, drag the geolocation filter into your campaign box. Click on the geolocation block to open the settings panel. Here, start by naming your filter. Next, choose the country you want to target. In this example, we're selecting United States. You can narrow down further by selecting a specific region or choose all to target the entire country. If you want to personalize content for visitors from multiple locations, click on Add Conditions. This is perfect for broader targeting. In our case, we're keeping it simple and only targeting United States audience. Once you're happy with your settings, click the cross icon to close the settings. Your geo filter will be saved and applied immediately to your campaign. Now, drag and drop the page variation into the filter box. If you're not sure how to create a page variation, don't worry, we've covered that in another video. You'll find it in our Get Started playlist. Once everything looks good, click the Go Live button on the top right. Your geo-targeted campaign is now active and live for users based on their location. If you want to explore more use cases for geolocation filter, head over to Relevic website and navigate to the product section. Then click on geolocation. A new page will open showcasing real-life examples and creative ways to use this powerful filter. Sign up at relevic.ai to start building personalized, location-based experiences in just a few simple steps.